My name is Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a Valentine's heart. To make this, you need pencil, paper, white yarn, thread and needle, scissors, red felt, glue gun. Let's make it. Take a paper and draw a heart like this and cut. Take red felt fabric, put on fold, place here and pin. Cut. Okay, like that. And now remove pins. Take white thread, do not make it double, make it single like this, and let's sew. Okay, like that. So now go ahead and secure the thread. Okay, it's done. So now take white yarn, and tie. Okay, here and cut. And take glue gun. Okay, it's done. So you can use this as a notebook marker. You can put here, close. Okay, so this was a very beautiful Valentine's heart. Thank you for watching. Meet a creative arigato. Bye.